Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. In this quick video, I'll share 5 easy tips to boost your laptop's speed and performance. Let's get started. Remove any programs you no longer use. Go to Control Panel in Settings and uninstall unnecessary apps. Declutter your hard drive by deleting old files, temporary data, and downloads you don't need. Use built-in disk cleanup tools regularly. Upgrade your laptop's RAM for improved multitasking. More RAM is the best solution. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Swap your traditional hard drive HDD for an SSD. SSDs are faster and enhance boot time. Use Task Manager in Windows to control which apps launch on startup or running background programs.